Good morning, everyone. So I have been asked if I could kind of show people how to purchase prints from a gallery. So here we go. You just click on your gallery link in your email, or if someone shared it to you, you can click on it that way. And then you will just click Open Gallery in the bottom corner, type in your email address. Oops. And then it opens your gallery up for you, and then you go through and you can click wherever you would like. If you know which gallery you want to go into, or if you just want to search all photos, whatever you would like, you can download all of them here. So we are going to go into the post ceremony. We'll just go down and click one of my favorites down here. Ooh, let's do this one. I love this one. So you can click to download here, or you can favorite it here if you want to make a whole album of favorites, and then you can purchase them all at once. Or if you just want a few, you can just simply add it to your cart right here. So you have all sorts of things you can choose from. You can choose from regular prints, fine art prints. This is where you can get your digitals as well. Canvases, metal prints, and then other kind of fun stuff over here. But we will just show prints for this tutorial. So we'll just go a 4x6. My favorite to get is either the luster or the deep matte. So we will just go ahead and click on that. I guess I could tell you the metallic kind of gives more of a almost three-dimensional look to your images a little bit. It really makes your blacks and your colors pop. It's a little much for what my style is, but it looks really cool for like sports pictures and stuff like that, in my opinion. The glossy is obviously just a really glossy finish, but I really like the luster in the matte because it's just a flat, not like shiny finish like you would see on a car. So I prefer those. So we'll go and click the deep matte right here. You'll choose however many you want and add it to your cart. And then after that, you can, if you're finished purchasing, you can view your cart, or you can go back to buy another item. You can get the same of whatever you did, or you can close out here and go back and choose a different one. But we're just going to go in and view the cart. So you just confirm everything. You can click checkout here. And then everything after that is pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, if you guys like the tutorial, you should subscribe to our channel. I will be sending out more tutorials to help with shoot-proof, or just other simple things that might help my clients out. So yeah, if you guys like this, hit subscribe, leave me a comment, and like.